Peeps. So today we're going to be shooting a content. Fine sound. Yeah, they are actually nice cars. So I actually wanted, I don't know what to wear. I didn't want to wear something that is revealing. I wanted to wear some sort of sport outfit wise, So I wanted to wear a branded THA, the jumpsuit, and the only outfit that I have for THA is the jumpsuit. Okay, we are done in the living room. Sanmana? So I'm actually late. I'm not actually late. I've been waiting for Mose some update since in May. So, and today's my first time going on my flat. The whole me. Naming manye. And the inking manje. It takes a nibon. You get the agents. Things I'm not makakangzofaka ngikhathele ugqoka lamabhutsu singibuzela ukuthi iteksi local ngizoyithola from Los Kuza iteksi local ejethi ngizoyithola
amamumu kithi mama scout akele tati ka ubonisa nonke ingena ngathi
copy
ayithi nawu kakela ka mu scout akele tati
mona
ka bo batla akele tati
no angeke lingishisa masilanga ngiqokile amazazi nekepisi
noma le ile
yo
la wasuka phela basuka la ngibone ukuthi phili iphuma nini
akusiyo le teksi
iphuma nini dami isipili holy
angazi shemiyazi angithathe yami mina bengifunda nje lapho phakathi Umbone phi ngoba ngibone Facebook. Yo, Aisha, ngizithola nje taxi la. Oh, I am actually pissed because now this guy cancelled. Can you guys imagine? I'm really pissed. I don't wanna lie, but now I'm not there, and abantu abenza njalo, I'm not gonna work with them anymore because they are showing me that I'm a piece of shit to them. Okay, never mind. They are showing me they don't take me serious. Actually, they are taking me for granted. So yeah. So that was the last time in Hamba. So now I'm actually on my way to go back to meet a certain artist. You want us to talk about content creation, how we're gonna do it and all that. Yo, sengithi 25. Yo ngabe sengifika lapha le guy yangiscam naye ngoba nje wonke umuntu ngathi uyangiscam. Yo, give me dragon. Oh, give me the blue switch, I'm sorry. Why? Yeah. And straw. Ngibambele lapha this. Mama. Basho njalo ukuthi ngaphuza energy drink. Thank you so much. Yo, hey, kusho phela mina ngisifana nomuntu ophuza utshwala. Unamanga.
Yabana nomuntu ehamba.
Yahla. Ipistro. Sanibonani. Siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila.
Yeah.
Ubaba efuthi kanti yini?
Oh, mkhulu.
Yazi wena.
Mina ngiyenzeni mkhulu?
Isiswaphi ngasangifrustani yazi ngathi akasangathi. Isiswaphi.
Toilet. Yeah. Oh my God, things are just not going so well for me today. I don't know why, but njengoba I was running, ngithama ngifika bathi taxi. Kugcwele. But I mean, I don't have a choice.
Time for staying in, especially with Techno Friends Red Hot lockdowns on
We have arrived. So, okay, uthi mbuze ama-taxi aya eCampus Square. Tingo check kashe.
Yeah.
Bengizokuzama amateksi aya eCampus Square.
Noma straight ngaphansi.
Ngaphansi le.
Shone phansi. Uma ngegate kuyele.
Yo, hayi ngizofeyinta shit. I'm getting pissed. What a day. Hi, finally, let's get hungry. Someone Campus Square.
Campus Square is 15 rand.